for the past few weeks, I've been having a lot of fun. Like, I recently went out with my family, events with my friends.
In many cases, individuals who achieve success are those who possess a strong belief.
And the amount of fun I'm having is at 100%, but my productivity level is at 0%. First of all, I think it's very hard to manage everything at once. So in order for me to become productive, I shouldn't do everything at once, but instead I should take it stepwise, which is why my first step is going to be cleaning my room. I'm here for the new vibe in my room. It looks amazing. That's all I can say. Like, I am so proud of myself for doing this. And also, I'm very sorry for not filming while putting these lights. Very, very sorry for that. But one thing I can say is that this girl over here, she's going to be productive. So, I'm going to do my homeworks. I'm going to do all those things that are in my list that I need to complete. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Stay positive.